Do you think that it is going somewhere? It is positive?
Well, I think there's some gain in communication. But overall, you have to understand that the interfaith is based upon a faith-based model of religion, which the Hindus don't have. It's Hindus, Buddhist is based upon knowledge. So there must be questioning and debate. And faith in the Western tradition, Abrahamic tradition, is often faith in something irrational, like the virgin birth or Muhammad going to heaven on the horse and all these different things. So the idea is you accept somebody else's faith. So I sometimes tell a little bit of a joke here. I say that ordinary religious people accept one irrational faith, and interfaith people accept all the rational faiths.
Very nice.
So that is, and I've been to interfaith gatherings, and to me I compare it to representatives from different countries pushing their economic policies. Because they're there to say, we're also Christians, we're Muslims, we're Shia, we're Sunni, whatever it is, and we're also modern, we're liberal, we treat women well, we're open-minded. But there's no questioning of their actual activity, and I've never seen conversion questioned in an interfaith situation.